Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pantene shampoo is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Manifest confirms 50 barrels of the surfactant.
All right, move them to Bay 4.
Here, the provitamin formula is blended until it achieves the perfect balance required for ideal lather and exceptional softness.
We have an overheat in sector gamma. Viscosity is dropping.
Rerouting the coolant mix. Levels stabilizing.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pantene shampoo is made. Poopy, from start to finish.